There's something so charming about old Halloween decor. The bold colors, the graphic lines, it's like spooky and playful all at the same time. So I really want to bring back that like classic 1930s to 50s magic. So let's create our own. I've been so inspired by these like old die-cut decorations. So just reviewing them now, what I'm noticing is that they're very like flat and graphic and full of character. So I want to do 4 characters myself. So I'm thinking a cat, a skeleton, a zombie, and like a pumpkin witch. And what I love about them is that they have these exaggerated expressions and like lots of sharp angles. So it should be fairly easy to recreate. And I think it just makes it so special and fun. I start with loose sketches, focusing on the shapes and personalities. I'm keeping the forms really simple so they'll translate well when I cut them out later. Okay, my drawings are all done and they turned out so cute. I'm really happy with them. So now I want to add color and really clean them up. So how I'm going to do that is bring these sketches onto the computer and with Adobe Illustrator kind of just trace over them and really give them that bold graphic look with bold black lines and lots of fun Halloween colors. With the photos in Illustrator, I use the Live Trace tool to convert them to a vector graphic, and then cleaning up any lines and shapes where necessary. Now I'm just filling in with all those fun signature Halloween colors. And I'm separating each color into layers so I can cut each one from a different sheet of poster board later. If you really like how this turned out, let me know and I'll put all these digital files on my website if you want to make your own. Okay, so I want my characters to be as big as possible. So I got some large poster board at the dollar store and I'm projecting my outlines onto this board to ensure that they're perfect. With a pencil, I'm just tracing out all the line work, going by layer by layer. Now the fun part is cutting it all out. I'm using an X-Acto knife for all the little delicate details and then my scissors for fast and easy cuts. Now with just a basic glue stick, I'm gluing all my pieces together. It's so satisfying watching flat pieces of paper turn into these bold dimensional characters. here they are, my vintage inspired Halloween crew. I had so much fun making this project. I love how they turned out. They're playful and spooky and graphic, just how Halloween should be. I'm curious to know which one of the 4 is your favorite. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!